Here is a sample of what you will be doing. Remember, we are looking at fixed mindset, which is negative, or a growth mindset, which is someone who says, yeah, I can do it, or maybe not yet. You will have these words down here to move either in this side or this side. So if someone is negative and says they can't do it and they're not going to try, that's going to be fixed mindset. Where you want to live is you want to live right over here. Growth mindset means you're approaching things positively. So when it's your turn, and there's an attached sheet, so when it's your turn, you are going to move these pieces on to the right side. Should you have any problems doing it, you can always write in there, or you can type in there. So just know that these are the words that we're using to complete this. Thank you. I look forward to seeing what you do.